Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, military aircraft that is guided autonomously, by remote control, or both, and that carries sensors, target designators, offensive ordnance, or electronic transmitters designed to interfere with or destroy enemy targets.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Abraham Karam. Abraham Karam was born in Baghdad to a Jewish couple. His family moved to Israel in 1951, where he grew up. From an early age, he had an innate passion for aeronautics, and at the age of 14, he started building model aircraft. Karam is regarded as the founding father of UAV, drone, technology.
Take our lead.
A drone is an unmanned aircraft or ship that is guided remotely or autonomously. UAV stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle, something that can fly without a pilot on board. Above is a quadcopter UAV, named for its 4 propellers.
Let's help you make your mark.
The commander used the name, drone, to refer to the aircraft in respect to the British Queen Bee. The term was fit since the drone could not function on its own and had to be controlled by someone on the ground.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.